Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Java JDK 20 on Windows 11 operating system with Java Home. We also add a Java Home path in our Windows 11 operating system. So let's go to our video. First, check any other version of Java is already installed on your PC or not. That is very easy. First of all, just go to the start and just type cmd. Just click on the command prompt. Okay. In command prompt, just type Java, then hyphen version. Just type this and hit enter key on your keyboard. Here is no Java version is installed on our machine. Okay. Now I just close it. Now I just go to the download Java JDK 20. Okay. First of all, I just go to the any web browser and here in search, I just type Oracle Java and hit enter key on my keyboard. The first link is from the Oracle, it is an official site of the Java JDK. Open that link. Okay. Now this website is open. Now at here at the top, we find download Java. Just click on the download Java. Okay. Now here is our Java downloads. Okay. And here we find Java 20 and Java 17. We want Java 20. Here is the Java 20. Just click at here and scroll down. Here we find Linux operating system, Mac OS and Windows. My operating system is Windows, so I just go to the Windows. Okay. And here we find our installer, 64 installer. Okay. x64 installer. And here is our download link. Just click on this link. Okay. Now our download is started at here. It's take few seconds or few minutes depending on the speed of your internet. So be patient and wait for download to complete it. Now our download is completed. Just click on the show all. Here we find show in a folder. Minimize this. Drag this setup file to desktop. Okay. Now our setup file is ready. We are going to install this setup file. Just double click on this setup file. Double click on it. Click on the yes. Now our installation process is started. Just click on next. If you want to change the directory or the folder destination folder, then just go to the here change. And from here we can change our destination folder directory. Okay. Now I just click on the okay. I not want to change my directory. I just go to the next. Now our installation is started. It's take few minutes or few seconds. Now installation process is complete. Now close our installation. Okay. Now our installation is done. Okay. Now the next step is very simple. Just add our environment path or the environment variable. Okay. That is very easy. First of all, I just go to this PC. In this PC, I just go to the C drive. In C drive, I just go to the program files. In programs file, I just find Java. Just double click on Java. In Java, I just find JDK 20, JDK-20. Okay, double click on it. Here we find bin folder. Double click on bin folder. And I want to copy this path, this address bar path. So I just click here. It is automatically select. If it's not automatically select, just select like this and right click on it and copy it. Now our path is copied. Okay. Now just minimize it. Next step is very simple. Just go to the start and here just type system variables. Edit the system variables. Edit the system environment variables. It is a right word. Edit the system environment variables. Just click at here. Here is our system properties. In system properties, we find environment variables. Just click on environment variables. Okay. Now here we find two things. First is the user variables. It is for your local user. Your local user for the user variables. If you want to add for the all user, then just go to the system variables. I suggest go to the system variables. Okay. In system variable, just find path. Just click on the path and just go to the edit. Just click on the edit. Okay. Here I want to add a new path. So I just click on the new and right click on this and just click on the paste. Okay. Now our path is added at here. Now just click on the blank space. Now just click on the okay. Now our path is added. Okay. Now we want to add our Java home. That is very easy. Just go to the new at this point. And here in capital, just type Java underscore home, all in capital. Okay, Java home. In variable value, right click on it here, right click on it and paste our path. And this time remove / and bin. Just remove bin and / okay. Now just do this and just click on the OK. Now our path is added. Now just click on the OK. Just click on the OK. The next step is check Java version and Java compiler version. That is very easy and simple. First of all, just go to the start and just type cmd. Click on the command prompt. Here is our command prompt. We first check our Java version. So I just type Java --, 2 version and hit enter. Now it is showing a Java 20 is installed on our PC. Now we want to check Java C version. Okay. So I just type Java C --, version, hit enter. Now our Java C version is also 20. Now we check Java C. Okay. Okay, now it is also running. So all things are good. Okay. Now we just check. First of all, just close it. Now we want to create our first Java file and compile it in Java. That is very easy and simple process. Now I just create a new folder on my desktop. Right click on it, new and folder. I give any name. You can give any name that you like. I give the test. You can give any name. I double click on test folder. Here I want to create a new file. I right click on it. Just go to the new. And here I just go to the text document. Okay. And I want to rename this file and also want to rename extension of this file. Okay. That is very easy. Just go to the view. You can just click at here, file name extension, and just it shows us a extension of our file. And other option is just go to the option and just go to the view. And here I just go to the hide extension for known file types, uncheck this, apply it. Okay, this is all same. Okay, now I just go to my file, right click on it and just go to the rename, and I rename with the my name. Okay, Abhijit. Okay, you can give any name that you like. In text I rename with the Java. Okay, and click at here. Yes, I want to change. Now I want to open this Java file, right click on it, and I just go with the open with, and I uncheck this and just go with the notepad. You can go with the any text editor. At this point I just add a Java code, my first Java code that I return. I want to print at this point hello Java. Okay, now I just click on the file and save it. Just save it. Now I just go to the my folder, close this. Now we want to compile it and print it. That is very easy. First of all, I just go to start and just type cmd and click on the command prompt. Okay, here is our command prompt and here is our folder. Now I want to go to cmd and just type cd. Cd is for the change directory, and I want to add my this folder path at here. Okay, that is very easy. I just go to this test folder, drag this to my command prompt. Okay, and I just click on the command prompt. Just click on the command prompt, and this is the our folder path. You can add manually this path also. Okay, now I just hit enter key on my keyboard. Now we are in our test folder. Now we are going to run our or compile our first file. That is very easy. First of all, just type Java C and just type our file name, then .java and hit enter. Not any error. It means our compile is done. Okay, now we just type Java space and our file name and hit enter. Now it's print Java hello Java, and our program is run successfully on our Windows 11 PC. So guys, this is the simplest way to download and install Java JDK 20 on our Windows 10 PC or laptop by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.